Hi, welcome to Oceanography Lab 9. In this lab, you will learn about some of the common marine adaptations in animals that live in the ocean. And this is going to be a short video because there's several videos embedded into the lab side, but I did want to point out a couple of things so that you are not confused. So let's see. Okay, the lab overview, then the sections are the following. So there's an introduction, then the lab goes on to talk about the zones of the ocean. Then it talks about challenges of living in a marine environment. And then the last part of the lab goes over some of the marine organisms, like the big groups. So there are no uploads in this lab, but there is a little bit of jumping around. So let me just show you. So one thing you will notice is that there are several videos embedded in the lab. Please watch them all. They are all under 7 minutes, and most are about 2 or 3 minutes, and they will help you understand and also visualize the information better. So what I was referring to about the jumping around here, some of the sections in the lab have been separated into individual subpages within the lab. So normally you would just see like the homepage and the extras. In this lab, you're going to see marine mammals, sharks, and anglerfish as individual pages as well. Now, what that's going to be is you'll actually just go to the main page, just like you would any other lab, and then you're going to get to a part I'll show you right here that says marine mammals, sharks and rays, and anglerfish and lanternfish. And then in the bottom, it says click on the picture, click on these pictures. So when you get to this section where it's talking about this type of organisms, you will click on the picture and it will take you to the marine mammals page, for example. And there you will find questions 9 and 10. And then within that page, it will say, okay, now click here to go to the sharks and ray page. And then you'll go to that page, and then you will see questions 11 and 13 there. The anglerfish and lanternfish, the same thing. And then there will be a link that says return to the main lab page. You'll go back for a little section about coral reefs, and then that's where it will end. The lab will end. So yeah, this is just so there isn't like a ton of scrolling, and it was better organized like this. So hopefully it's simple enough. You just do like any other lab, and then there's going to be a part where it says click here for these questions. You go to those pages, and then you return back to the main page. Everything else is exactly the same. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. There are a lot of new terms in this lab, a lot that you might have never heard of, like abyssopelagic. So as always, feel free to download the blank vocab sheet to keep track of these terms. And yeah, enjoy learning about some cool marine organisms, and I'll leave you with that. Bye.